Unfortunately, when it comes to our newer flights, when we get to group for 4 and 5, there's a pretty high chance we will no longer have the bin space. One nominee board and then blue lane mark for 1 for newer flight 2011, emergency for F21. Group 2 may board down the green lane mark number 2 for Newark flight 2011. Folks, looks like we're running out of base space pretty quickly here between groups 1 and 2.
That's crazy.
Flight number 5 now in the green lane mark number 2. Group 5 in the green lane mark number 2 for Newark flight 2011.
Whenever you stay home, we'll probably do that Monday and Tuesday, yeah, that's all we know.
First and foremost, today's aircraft that we're giving you today does have to be